This video is looking at the command term describe. So we're going to start off by thinking about why it's important. Alright, so it's very important in English. It also comes up in a lot of other subjects, and it's in general it's extremely useful in all kinds of academic essay writing, from your GCSEs to your A levels to doing a degree and even doing a master's. Alright, so now depending on what you're trying to describe, you'll need to think of different ways to do it. So first of all, let's look at how you'd use adjectives and adverbs to describe. These are important to include, especially if you want to write to a higher standard. So when you're going to use a noun or a verb in your sentence, ask yourself if you can include an adjective or an adverb that will help your answer stand out. If you can do this, your writing will improve straight away. So here is an easy example showing you how to do it. The baker had realized his mistake when making the cakes. He needed to do something before the store opened. So how can we improve the quality of this sentence using adjectives and adverbs? Well, here you go. Suddenly, the baker realized the big mistake he made. He had foolishly made the cakes too small. He had to do something fast before the store opened. Okay, so just thinking and reflecting on how you can improve the quality of your answers using those to help you do that. Now, metaphors and similes is another area that's important, okay, and using this will help you to improve the quality of your writing generally as well. So a metaphor describes something by suggesting it is something else. So for example, you could say the sea was a glimmering mirror, or simile, it compares something to another object. So for example here you would say the waves roared like a hungry dragon. Now the last thing we're going to look at is the 5 senses, okay, and how you can use them to help you describe more effectively. Students often make the mistake of just using their sight as a way of describing, but you will get higher marks if you can include details about smell, sounds, feelings and taste as well. Here's an example, okay, and let's see how we can improve the quality of this. So Leanne heard a loud noise and looked up. There was a plane flying overhead. Alright, so let's have a look at the quality of this answer instead. Leanne heard what sounded like constant thunder overhead. She looked up, shielding her eyes with one hand from the bright sun, and noticed an aeroplane directly above her that seemed to be going in slow motion. Okay, so there you go, different techniques to help you how to describe, so make sure you apply them as and when needed.